Hello guys, at ang pala si Happy. At andito nga pala ulit tayo sa video to. At kakain nga pala tayo ng mga candy. Dalawa pa to, maasin to guys. Kaya ko muna lang, dito ko muna. Ito kaya muna. Ito. Perfectong malupit. Coca-Cola. Yan. Sarap lang siya. Ayan mga itong
suggested I put a marble race on it. Me and everyone there is the same. And the boss we don't get on your day one. But after 10 minutes, get it. And I decided to just give up.
One minute sa puto guys. So, lang ang kakain natin. Part 2 na lang po ito. Tapos yung part 2. Ito mo ipang part 2. Lagyan natin ng basta ko naman. Lagyan ko nito.
The good news is that I got the yellow. I just started working out so far. I knew I could again for a second if I needed to. Yeah, because it's going to be first.
Wala pa po kasi matapos. So,